Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a purchase with your Capital One credit card. It's gonna be a really quick video, step-by-step guide, but it's gonna be a short one, so let's just get straight into it. First up, you can use your Capital One credit card to make purchases online, in store, or you could also do that by phone. Now all you got to do is just provide your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code when you're filling out the payment method. And then you can verify the transaction details, including the purchase amount and the merchant's name, to make sure that's accurate. And you can just sign or authorize the transaction to complete the purchase process. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a purchase with your Capital One credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.